The two questions I get asked the most frequently are, did I know from a very early age that I had these abilities? And if not, when did it start? I feel we all have these capabilities. However, to really heighten, I feel that it takes a tragedy in your life for your spiritual awakening to happen to you. In my case, it was my brother passing of AIDS in 1995. I always asked, why him? Why not me? Is that it? Do we never get to communicate again? I mean, is dead dead? A friend of mine gave me a book by Betty Eadie entitled Embraced by the Light. That answered a lot of questions, but it opened up more questions for me. The following year, I went back to Boston, opening up kiosks in the malls, selling a dietary supplement, farthest thing from a spiritual awakening, right? With a manager who was very psychic but very scared of it, like most of us. One night as I was watching TV, she saw a big white light around me and told me so. I'm like, what? And she says, like that show, that old show, Touched by an Angel, where the big white light comes around at the end. And that scared me, so I called upon Archangel Michael to protect me, and she was able to see Michael too. Freaked us out, but as we started experimenting with this, we were able to see angels around one another, describe them, deliver messages, until much to our astonishment one night, she was able to see, describe, and deliver a message from my brother, as I was able to do for her son that had passed 2 years prior. Upon returning back to Phoenix 4 months later, every time I'd see somebody, I either saw angels or loved ones that had passed over. It was scaring me, and I kept running, and I tried to make it go away. But I couldn't make it go away. It kept getting more intense. So instead of living in fear, I decided to educate myself. And the more education I got, the more comfortable it became, and the more comfortable it became, the more I understood this is what I meant to do. I now assist thousands of people each year, which I love to do through my angel readings and my classes to help you receive your own angel wings, to bring you more peace, comfort, closure, and inspiration as to why you're here and what you are supposed to do.